everyone. On behalf of Team Greeners 5, my name is Ankit Teron. I read in class 7 at Greenhurst Academy. Our theme is Samriddhi and our idea is about solar boat. Today I'm going to talk about our project for Vikshit Bharat Buildathon 2025. In making this project successful, the materials requirements are solar, switch, fan, battery and wires. We are making solar boat because as we have seen many ships or boats were using petrol, diesel or coal. It pollute the water as well as it pollute the air also. So our team has decided to make a solar boat without using any petrol, diesel or coal. When we use petrol, diesel or coal, it pollutes our environment. So without polluting our environment, we used to make a solar boat. Now we will show you some examples. That's all about our project solar boat. Thank you.